What's up, Gadgeteers? Welcome back to Gadget Beer. Today we have an accessory from Hansshow for the Cybertruck. Today we have the under display storage. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at this amazing accessory from Hansshow. Okay, so first and foremost, this is going to come in a play box, nothing too special or anything like that. Let's go ahead and unbox this and see what we have inside. Now, what's very typical with Hansshow is that they give you everything needed for the installation, including a screwdriver, which is absolutely fantastic. So basically you have the pieces that are going to connect over the top and the rubber liner for the under display storage right here. So you're going to first undo the little rubber liner. And these have some grooves in here that kind of attach right there, so it prevents this from slipping. And I believe this is going to go the other way, like so. And you see these grooves right here, just kind of press in like that, and it keeps the mat from slipping. And you also have this excellent lip right here. So this lip right here prevents it from any of your products sliding out if you accelerate pretty fast, or if you're just driving or off-roading. It keeps all your accessories, keeps all your stuff nice and tidy, and keeps it from falling out of the storage compartment here. And the rest is the actual. All right, so these are going to go like this, and what it's going to do is going to press against the center screen mount, and it's going to hold this in place. A pro tip here real quick is just kind of put these in like so. Put this underneath the screen and then press in. It's easier if you already have them aligned here than try to align them while they're on the screen. Like this, you just have to go ahead and slide these into place and hold the storage secured under this screen. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this real quick and come back and show you guys how it looks. Also, these are not necessarily needed, but for added security, if you off-road a lot and want to make sure that under the screen is on, make sure you put these on. But it feels so solid with it even without this on, that this is just for added security. But make sure you install this as Hansshow states. But in my opinion, I don't think they're needed. But if you offer a lot, I do recommend you do fully install these to secure that storage underneath the display. So here we have the under display. As you can see, it's very nice and secured. Very nice solid thing. You can put your cell phone, wallet, keys, change, anything you want to put in here. This thing is not going absolutely nowhere. One thing I also love about this is, let's check out the back right here, the setup right here on the back. Let me show you real quick. As you can see, these are the clips that hold it in place, and you can see I installed the screws. The same thing on the other side right there. So one thing I like about this is, if you have the back storage compartment here, this is not going to interfere with that, because it's like discreetly holding it in place. You still have all this available, as you can see. So any accessory you have for the back of the display, it's going to work just fine, which absolutely looks good. But let's take a look one more time at this amazing storage right here. It looks absolutely amazing, and I liked it that you still have a little bit of display here. I still have this console back here, plenty, and it does not intrude or anything. I can go ahead and remove this if I want to, and still have plenty of room. But absolutely looks amazing. So this is from Hansshow, the under display storage. Link will be in the description of the video if you want to go ahead and pick one up for yourself. Strongly recommended. The more storage you have accessible here in the Cybertruck, the better your Cybertruck experience will be. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.